dough to the peanut gallery. This is your boy Peanut, the people's nut. First, I seriously want to say thank you to everybody that took time out of their busy schedule to stop by and catch these words and this value. I truly hope that it serves you in some capacity or another. Now that we have all that out the way, if y'all can ever so kindly just hit that like button and pass the collection plate around, because I'm also trying to get some of this YouTube money too. Thank you, America. The question a lot of us fail to answer before we start any endeavor is why? Why? And once you can answer your why, the next question you need to ask yourself is there a better way? The reason why I started this YouTube channel is to inspire others to do what inspires them. Because I am a black man in America and I am very observant. I have witnessed a lot. So it is my goal to try to awaken the conscious mind of the youth in my community. I'm the same little kid that grew up in Detroit, hanging around hood cats, doing hood rat things with my friends. I have I'm talking about a ton of grimy stories that I can share with you and my sisters and my family. Make sure that I never forget that I was that kid. I can tell you, I grew up like most black children in urban cities with a single mom. Although everyone's situation is unique to them, which makes us all different and unique in our own special way, most of us share many things in common. It took me many years and a lot of wrong turns to realize I was in competition with myself the whole time. And I honestly had the power to change my own circumstances. But first, I had to change my mindset. I had to get out of the survival mode that a lot of us develop growing up in urban cities and poverty. You feel like you can't thrive. So first you have to believe that you can thrive. But then you also have to put in the work, obtaining knowledge and investing in reading, and being mindful of where your time is going. Now, a quote with both life experience and a wealth of knowledge, it becomes much easier to make better life choices. But we're starting to witness a shift because now that we have an endless amount of information, facts, and data at our fingertips, everybody knows everything. Although having knowledge is wonderful, but haven't you yourself at one time or another knew all the right information, received great advice, but it still turned out bad or you still did the wrong thing? More data, more information doesn't always guarantee a good outcome, especially if that idea was hatched from bad soil. And hasn't it also been a time where you didn't have all the answers, but you went with your gut feeling and it turned out good or right? That's where time, life experience helps you develop that thing called your gut feeling. I like that my niece know more than I did at her age, but I always tell her, baby, pair that knowledge with life experience. To be old and wise, you must first be young and dumb. So make your dumb decisions, but pair that with the counsel of someone older than you so they can help you maneuver through the pitfalls that happen in life. Life, from the good old days, as my OG would say, is changing and changing fast. But if you look back over the course of history, from any hood enterprise to any corporations, there are core values and principles that make those systems function well. So I truly hope and wish to blend both the daring and risk-taking nature of the youth with the wisdom and life experience of the elders to reach my desired outcome with starting this channel. 1, to give back to the community and my people through shared experiences and hopefully help someone through their life journey. 2, to reawaken the conscious mind and our ability to critically think situations through. I'm going to be dropping mad mental gems, mad seeds in your brain, and just help you to strengthen your mental. So you don't waste as much time as a lot of us did making the same mistakes, building a mental model with rotten wood. I already know what you're thinking. With all these life coaches and all these internet gurus pushing products and service, it's increasingly hard for you to know where you're getting good information from and what to keep and what not to keep. That's the part that you yourself have to spend time with yourself doing and observing what works well for you in your life. Life is short, but it can feel like a goddamn eternity if you continue to make the wrong decisions and not learn from your own life experiences. The goal is to correct course as soon as possible. Master your own mental and make sure you aren't majoring in minor things. Anything that does not serve you or help you get to your desired outcome. You don't want to look up and you've been going in the wrong direction for too long, away from peace and prosperity and the money. Developing skills, beliefs, and ideas that only help you be slick, not smart, gangster, but not free or alive. Like Nip said, life is a marathon, not a race. Feed your soul, not your ego.
I love coming to serve, man. I love good on the service. I think she's scheming and scheming and scheming and scheming and flying. I think she's scheming and flying, scheming and flying. I think she's scheming and scheming and scheming and scheming and flying. I think she's scheming and flying, scheming and flying.